How to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Notepad++. Then click on Notepad. In here, you'll find all these options of downloading. You'll find different versions. For now, I'm just clicking on Download Notepad version 8, which is the first option. After you click on it, in here, you'll find different options again. You can simply download 32-bit for now by clicking on Installer GPZ Signature. After you've downloaded, it will show you this page. In here, select a language and press on OK. After you have done that, click on Next. After you've pressed on Next at the bottom, click on I agree at the bottom. After you have done that, press on Next again. If you want to change your file, you can change. If not, press on Next at the bottom. Then press on Next again. After you've pressed on Next again, press on Install at the bottom. After you have installed, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Finish at the bottom. After you've clicked on Finish, you'll find Notepad++ open up. You can write anything in here. And this is how to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.